Hey guys, this is Mike at Everett Hot Rods. Today we'll be installing the Aces Joker kit, putting it on this 55 Chevy with a 406 small block in it. Over here is the Joker kit. Got real nice intake, fuel rails, injectors, crossover, got your computer, your wiring harness, throttle body, got the gaskets with it, sensors, you got your fuel pressure regulator, you got your oxygen sensors, coil. Nice kit. Okay, we got our fuel rails on, injectors in, put our crossover on. Now it's time to get to disassembly. Okay guys, we're going to use this Aces pump, 255 LPH. It comes with the Joker kit. We're using a tank. It comes with a sending unit and a pump, but we're going to use this Aces pump. Super simple to figure out. Just measure your depth of your tank, measure it out, put your filter on. Sounds pretty easy, don't it? Just pop this on. Like so. Okay. You gotta line these holes up. That's a little tricky. I've already got my gasket lined up and I know which way my pump's going. There we go. And we're going to use these bolts out of the Aces kit. Ones that come with the tanks are a little shorter, so we're going to use these longer ones. Hope it'll work. I think it will. This is a real nice pump. It's got the AN fittings already in it. I cut my sending unit down earlier. Didn't show that. I didn't want to bore you with it. Some of y'all probably might have want to see that, but I've done a bunch of these and In case you're wondering where we're working at, we're working off the truck bed here. Got my block here, fixing to send it off, get bored. New cam bearings, put some new pistons on the rods, some domes. That's for a future project we're going to put on this show. Hey guys, we got the fuel tank installed. Got our fuel line run up. I used a lot of finish line factory fittings and hose. They're good items. I run a fuel filter off a Corvette. There's the part number right there. Real easy to use. I had a lot of good luck with them. Okay, come up from the fuel filter, I run straight into my fuel rails. I come out the other fuel rail right there, come over to my regulator again, and then back out for my return line, all the way back to the tank. I think we're ready for wiring now. Let's get started on that. All right guys, we're gonna put this harness on. I think we're gonna mount our computer over here. So here's our oxygen sensor wires. WBO1 goes on your driver's side. WBO2 goes on your passenger side. I think I'm gonna run this behind this wire here. Oxygen sensor, WBO1. WBO2, passenger side. Okay. That's your fuel pressure sensor. We don't have it, so we probably won't be using it. There's your injector wires. Looking for A, B, and C. Okay, that's the right side. And here's your other side. Let's go back and straighten this wiring up once we get everything hooked up. I've got these labeled A, B, C, and D. B, F, G. Okay. On all that,
That's your coil wire. That's your fuel pressure wire. We ain't gonna use that because we don't have a fuel pressure sensor. Okay, now let's get another harness. This is your map sensor, temperature sensor. Everything goes your throttle body. Idle air temperature. Let me hook this over here. Here's your map. Your air. There we go. This will go under your breather. Just put that right there for now. Okay. This comes with an extension for your distributor. Not sure we'll need that. This will be your additional wires. It's got like your two-step fan wire, tack out wire, we'll probably need that. Okay, this kit comes with two different throttle body extensions, they're all about the same except for the map sensor, it looks like. Everything on here is labeled. So here you got your IET, your IEC, map sensor, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, this is our computer. We're gonna have to find a place to mount it. I think I'm gonna mount it over here. All my wires are long enough to plug into. Here's my coolant temperature sensor. Found that. So we're gonna run that up through here. Plug it in here, it's a little long. And we'll take all the stickers off when we get it done and fire it up. Do some wire tying there. Like I said, I think we're going to mount this over here. So I'll grab some screws and put this over here for now. All right, we got our ECM mounted. We're going to plug that up. All right, we'll have to tie all that back. Next thing we'll be doing is we've got to run these wires straight to the battery. You got your ground, your pump, that'll go back to your fuel pump in the back, 12-volt battery. Those have to run, red and black have to be run straight to your battery, which ours is in the trunk, so we're gonna have to run it to the back. Ignition key, we'll tap into where our distributor wire used to be. And that'll be our next step.
All right, let's check our fuel pressure. Make sure we ain't got no leaks. And of course, my battery won't go. All right, now we're going to start it, hopefully. That didn't sound good. Take two. All right. We're going to try it again. It wouldn't start up the first time. We had foul plugs, so we went and got new plugs, put them all in it, fired right back up. Called our good buddy Daniel at Aces. He helped me through some of the tuning part on it. It's running real good now. We're gonna put a timing light on it, see if we can get it running a little bit better. And then next, maybe burnouts. Alright guys, I meant to tell you something about the motor in this. I don't think I mentioned it before. It's got a 406 cubic inch small block in it. It's got Brodix aluminum heads. It's got a big mother thumper competition cam in it. It's got a 350 turbo, a PTC 3500 style. It's also got a 410 pause rear end out of a Camaro under it. As you can see in the video, it runs good. I think the Joker kit needs a little time to adjust, to learn, and we'll see what it does from there. But please like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you. There will be more.